Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another Plan With Me video. This week we are planning for the week of Easter using this Easter kit from my shop. So yeah, I'm just gonna get right into this little chit-chatty Plan With Me type of situation here. I was gonna do a talk through, but when I actually filmed this, my throat hurt so bad. Like the allergies right now, they're real. They're real and it's a struggle. So I was like, you know what, I'll just do a sped up voiceover and I can kind of chit chat and tell you guys about the Kenny Chesney concert. And I had somebody ask me a question for this Plan With Me. So I'm really excited to chit chat with you guys and talk about it. So first things first, I will talk about my experience with the Kenny Chesney concert. Oh my gosh, you guys, Kenny Chesney is so amazing. I was in the second row. I was so close. Like literally I could have reached out and like touched his hand, except for I would have been in like somebody else's personal bubble. So I wasn't going to do that, but literally made eye contact with Kenny Chesney as he was singing one of my favorite songs. Guys, I'm pretty sure it's True Love. And like, we're going to get married soon. I'm just kidding. I'm happily married to James. Don't want to start any crazy rumors, but I love Kenny Chesney. It was such an amazing concert, an amazing experience. If you like Kenny Chesney's music, I highly recommend going to his concerts because he just puts on a great show. So that happened. We also, story time from the Kenny Chesney concert, you guys. Had a bit of a situation with the person sitting next to us. So basically, James was sitting beside me, and on the other side of him, there was this couple, okay? And they showed up like right before Kenny came on stage. So they show up, and then the lady was like standing on one of the chairs, like hollering at somebody from a few rows back. Well, all of a sudden, this girl like comes up into her row, and her husband leaves. And this girl is like completely wasted, drunk, like whatever. And I don't care if people drink. Like that doesn't bother me at all. I just like also want you to respect people that you're around. You know what I mean? I don't know. So anyway, so she comes up and I guess like the husband traded seats with her so she could sit in the second row. Again, I don't really care. Like that's cool, whatever. But anyway, so she's dancing, she has her beer in her hand, and she's like doing this thing with her arm, which I kid you not, I wish I would have gotten it on video because it was really funny, but she kind of looked like an octopus. Like imagine like the octopus tentacles, like that's what her arms looked like during the concert when she was like dancing and singing and being kind of, you know, wild a little bit. But she also like had her phone out, she was Snapchatting everything, which again, fine, I don't care, like that's cool. But don't be in my personal bubble. And her phone was like in my face and like James was in between us. So that just tells you like how much she was like coming into personal spaces, and like she kept stepping on James and he was just getting annoyed with it. And I don't know, it was just crazy. And like, again, I don't care if you want to have a good time. I don't care if you want to drink, like you do you. But also like respect the people around you. And if you get so wasted that you can't respect the people around you, then like maybe don't drink that much. You know what I mean? And like, again, I'm not like trying to shame anybody for doing that, but like just like have respect for the people around you. Can we all just respect everybody? That's all I'm asking. But anyway, it was really kind of funny to just watch this person like act this way. Like it was just kind of sad. I was like, oh my gosh, please stop, because you're like embarrassing yourself. But at the same time, it was kind of entertaining. So that was the experience with the Kenny Chesney concert. It was a lot of fun. And then we got to watch this happen too. So that was fun. And then we came back home. And the following day, we actually went to the zoo, which I kind of talked about in my last Plan With Me that I wanted to do that. Well, we ended up doing that. It was pouring rain the entire day. And even though I was wearing a rain jacket, I still got soaked. So that was fun. It was a lot of fun actually, but I was also just like, oh my gosh, I want to go home and shower and put on some dry clothes, you know? So that was fun. I didn't vlog it just because I wanted to just be in the moment and do my thing. But it was a lot of fun, so we did that, and then Sunday we just went to church, and that was pretty much our weekend. Not super crazy, just, you know, the normal stuff, I guess. I mean, if you can call going to a Kenny Chesney concert normal for every weekend, that'd be awesome, but, you know. Anyway, so that was my experience last weekend. And getting into the question that somebody had for me, it was my top 5 stickers. I believe it was my top 5 stickers to plan with, but it could have been design with. I don't know. I better like go back and look because I don't want to like screw this up, you know? I don't want to answer the wrong thing if that's not what you wanted to know. So let me scroll back. Okay, it just says, since you started making stickers, what is your top 5? So since I started making stickers, I really love designing weekend banners because you can change them up and do cool things, and I really like that. I love like icon stickers. So like the icons that come in my kit, I love those stickers for some reason. I don't know why. Like I love using them and I love designing them. I also have really been into script stickers. Because personally I've been loving using them in my planner. So I think that's why like I've also been loving designing them. I like designing the washi because you can do different things with that. And the full boxes are a lot of fun to kind of design and like figure out how they're going to work together. So I guess that those would be my top 5. I don't know. I just really like all the stickers I create, to be honest. Even though I don't use everything, I do really enjoy creating them. So that one's hard, but I definitely would say that the 5 that I mentioned were definitely like in the top. Like I love designing those specific stickers. So yeah. So hopefully that answers your question and that's what you meant, and not like which ones do I like using. But I'd probably say I like using, I don't know, I like using them all. If you watch my spreads, I use a lot of half boxes. So I will say I love using half boxes. So getting into this week and all the plans, basically it was just work. But Friday, James has off. I say he has off because currently it is Thursday. So he has Friday off. We're actually going to a hockey game tonight. I've never been to a hockey game before, so I'm excited. I don't know anything about hockey. Like I've never even watched a game in my entire life, but I'm excited to experience a hockey game. So that's fun. And then he has tomorrow off. Saturday, we're helping with our church Easter egg hunt. And Sunday, we're going to church for Easter. But I don't think we're doing anything after church. We're not like having Easter lunch. I mean, James and I will have lunch, but like we're not doing anything special, you know? So that's, I don't know. I don't have any like super exciting plans for Easter. It's just like it's pretty much just like my normal Sunday because we go to church every Sunday. So it's not really different for me, I guess. And I don't dress up for Easter. Like I haven't dressed up for Easter since I was a kid. So I feel like it's just the same as like a normal Sunday for me. So that's going to wrap up this plan with me. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to give it a thumbs up if you did, and leave me some comments. Talk to me. What's your plan for Easter? What are you guys doing? And don't forget to subscribe if you're new here. I make all kinds of videos, but I definitely love making like planner related content because I do own a sticker shop. So I make behind the scenes videos of that. So if that's something that interests you, make sure that you click that subscribe button and the bell notifications. That way you're notified whenever I upload. And that is it. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.